Hey guys, I'm back, and in this video today I'll show you all how to get one free amazing plugin. It's an equalizer. I'm gonna show you how it actually looks and some of the settings and all. But first of all, the link is in the description, so go ahead and get the file and install it on your DAW, whatever DAW you are using. Install it, depending on your DAW you have to install it. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. So here we are, and this is how it looks. Let me play a beat without this plugin. So this is how it sounds. Nothing special, just a simple beat. Now when it's on, it shows a graphics, visual effects. I think that's pretty amazing and cool. And this plugin, it just look gorgeous with all these knobs around in here. Now I'm not here to show you how this plugin works because I have no idea how this the mechanism of this plugin works, but I think it's pretty awesome and it's pretty worth it. And what's more amazing is that it's free, it's completely free, and I really appreciate those developers, who give this kind of amazing plugins for absolutely free. I think this is something as a music producer, oops, phone call. Anyway, so as a house music producer, you got a must have, and you have a lot of presets in here, and you can play around. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, this plugin have really potential, and it's just free. I can't believe that this is free. Okay, you must have this plugin. Anyway guys, I really hope you enjoy this video, and I really hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe and help me to reach 1k subscriber. Really guys, I really need that 1k subscriber. Yep, that's it. I'm out, and this is outro.